Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the super fun TikTok trend called Future Baby or sometimes called Future Kid. This is the viral filter where TikTok generates a picture of what your future child might look like, and it's all done in just a few steps. And I will walk you through the process step by step. So let's get started. First, just open up your TikTok app, and once you're on the home screen, just tap on the search bar and then type in future baby filter or future kid filter, and then you should see several videos using the effects. Just open one of them like this, and then to use this filter just tap on use template like this. And when you do that, TikTok will automatically connect you to CapCut since the template is powered by the CapCut app. So before you start, make sure you already have CapCut installed on your phone. And if you don't have it yet, just go to your App Store or Google Play Store and then just download it and then just come back. And once CapCut opens, you will be asked to upload or select your photo. Just pick a clear selfie or picture of yourself from your gallery, and the filter will work best when the photo is well lit and your face is visible. And after selecting your photo, just tap next, this one. And then just wait for the CapCut to generate the animations. This might take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. And okay, when it's finished, as you can see, there's a little text added beside you. This is what people call the future baby. Almost like a prediction of your kid, but of course it's just for fun. The effects makes it look like you and your future child are posing together. Next, you can just save the video and post it back on TikTok to join the trend. And okay, if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!